In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji in Relevance Ai. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a small visual touch to your tools, so they're easier to spot and organize at a glance. Start by opening Relevance AI and signing in to your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where the main navigation lives. We'll be working from this menu throughout the process. From the left menu, click on Tools. This is the area where your custom tools live and where you can create new ones. Adding an emoji happens during the creation flow, so we'll make a new tool to see the option appear. Next, click New Tool. This opens the builder, where you can choose how you want to start. To keep things simple, select the default option. This template gives you a clean starting point without extra configuration, and it ensures the emoji control is right where we expect it. You'll now see the builder screen for your new tool. Look for the title field near the top where you name your tool. Right beside that title field, you'll notice a small plus icon. If your window is narrow or zoomed in, you might need to scroll slightly or widen the panel to see it clearly. That plus icon is the key to adding your emoji. Click the plus sign. An emoji picker will pop up immediately. This is your full library of emojis, grouped by category with commonly used icons near the top. Take a moment to choose an emoji that matches the purpose of your tool, something that makes it recognizable at a glance. For instance, a magnifying glass for analysis, a gear for utilities, or a star for favorites. If the picker includes a search bar, you can type a keyword to find what you need faster. Select your emoji, and you'll see it appear next to the title field right away. This preview is helpful for checking how it looks alongside your tool name. If it doesn't feel quite right, just click the plus icon again to pick a different one. When you're happy with the emoji and the title, finish up by clicking Save. This confirms your changes and adds the emoji to the tool permanently. You'll now see the emoji in your tool list, making it stand out as you browse. That's it. You've successfully added an emoji to a tool in Relevance AI. It's a small detail that can make your workspace faster to scan and more enjoyable to use.